We recently announced a series of new features in ASDIP Foundation, including the importing of support reactions from ETABS, the generation of the footing schedule, and then the export of this schedule to Excel. Today we are proud to announce a new feature in ASDIP Foundation, which is the Batch Design Manager. This is Javier Encinas, and today we're going to discuss what this new feature is, how it works, and how it can help you to complete your design in less time and improve your productivity. Let's get started. To illustrate the use of this new feature, let's import some reactions from ETABS. Go to Design, Import from ETABS, select the file. Then ETABS opens, loads the model. ETABS analyzes the model and then transfers the reactions to ASDIP. So in this model we have 16 footings. For example, let's open C1. This is the footing C1. We have imported here the loads, these loads, including wind, life, and dead. And of course we can design this individual footing by changing the dimensions and back and forth in a trial and error exercise, or we can use the design manager feature that we explained in a previous video, but this will design this footing only. But what about if we wanted to design all the footings at once using one click of a button? Fortunately, ASDIP Foundation now includes a new feature called the Batch Design Manager here. When you click on this option, this dialog box shows up. Here you can specify the preferred bar size. Let's say that we're going to use rebars number 6s for this example. And also we can enter here the allowable soil bearing pressure. Let's say that is 3 KSF. The software can design all the batch of the footing, the 16 footings in this case. Let's click on Design. Then the program starts designing the whole batch. So you don't need to open any of the footings individually. The program is designing and optimizing the design for the best footing size and thickness and rebars. After a few seconds, the program already finished, and the 16 footings that are here are already designed. For example, if we open now again the footing C1, we can see here that now the size is 10 by 10 by 18 inches. And then we can see here in the at a glance tab that all the checks are passing. It's very well optimized. For example, here the ratio is 0.89. Here the punching shear ratio is 0.93. So it's very well optimized. Graphically, looks like that. For example, we go to any other footing, let's say footing 11, it's also already designed and optimized. This is 19 by 19 by 52. This is a huge footing that would look like that. And also is well reinforced. We go to our glance tab, we can see here that all the ratios are passing, with the exception of this, which has to do with the column, not with the footing. But the footing itself, all the ratios are passing. If you want to see the results of all the footings, go to Design, then Footing Schedule. And the software can generate the footing schedule just with a click of a button. Just click here, and the program generates the footing schedule for you. So we can see here the dimensions of all 16 footings, 10 by 10, 14 by 14, and so on, with the reinforcement and the notes. You can print preview this footing schedule as well for your records, or you can export this schedule to Excel and then just copy paste your spreadsheet into your construction drawing. We close it. As you can see, this feature is very efficient. It can save you a lot of time and effort in designing your footings. You can design all the footings in your building just with a click of a button. Doesn't matter if it's 16 footings or if it's 100 footings or 200 footings. The program will design all the footings just with a click of a button. This will save you time and effort and will boost your productivity. In summary, we have this new feature called the Batch Design Manager. We previously announced the feature regarding the import of loads from ETABS and the footing schedule as well. So now you can import the reaction from ETABS, design all the footings just with a click of a button, then generate your schedule, and then export the schedule to Excel. We believe that it's a fantastic feature that will speed up your design tasks. If you like the software, please download the free 15-day trial at the website www.asdipsoft.com. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to receive notifications in the future for similar videos. Thank you for your attention.